G'day guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up our camp table range, give you a few features and then pack it down. So with me here I've got the camp table 4, the camp table 6 and the camp table 5. So the same process applies to everything, including the grill table, which is our half steel, half plastic model. I don't have here today, but exactly the same. So very simple. We just open it up as such, we flick the legs out. Everything, as you can see, is in place. It's up for now. Now to extend it, you've got a range of height adjustments. Very simple. Just pull it up. No more buttons to to press, I should say. And come around to the other side. So get it to the height you want and up you go. Nice and simple. Very easy. Okay, as you can see, we've got it up here. We've got a full blow-molded HDPE construction, which means it's very durable, it's very strong, and it's very easy to clean. Okay, it doesn't have a problem getting wet. We've got 155 kilo weight capacity across all models. They all come with the hammock, as you can see here, as such, which stays in place when I pack it down. I'll show you that a bit later. We've got pockets on the side. We've got not cup holders. We've got a bottle opener, I should say, here, and they're all easily adjustable as such. So they go up to 86 centimeters in height. There's a range of heights in between just by using the one-hand adjust. I'll show you that once again in a second. Got carry handle at the front, and we've got a swing out towel holder as well. So very strong, very easy to use, steel frame, nice and easy. So to pack it up, it's very simple. We have a one-handed adjust here. So all I got to do is press the button in. I pull it up ever so slightly, which disengages the lock, and it just goes down. Go to the other side. Press it again, and it goes down. So underneath, we also have these, what we call gravity locks. So this stops the table from folding up unwantedly when it's up. So what we do, they use gravity. You don't have to do anything. We turn it upside down, it falls down. And very simply, I press the buttons here. Everything stays in place. To pack it up, nice and simple. One side up. Now, as you can see, it automatically folds. Just pull the hammock inside and you are good to go. So very simple, very strong, loads of features. Check them out at Quest Outdoors.